welcome to another episode where we are talking about option strategies. In this video, we are going to talk about a new strategy called spread. The first strategy in spread is the bull call spread. You use this strategy when you know the stock price is going to be positive, but not very positive. Suppose you are expecting a move of maybe say 1% or maybe 2%. So in that scenario, your profit would be less. So to increase your profit, you use this strategy. So in bull call spread, what you do is you buy at the money call option and you sell an out of the money call option. So what the strategy would do is when you buy an at the money call option, it would give you profit as the premium price would go up, and you sell an out of the money call option because you know the price wouldn't reach till there. So the premium price would keep on decreasing till month end, and both these options would add up to make a good amount of profit. The second spread strategy is bear put spread. You use this strategy when you know the stock price would be negative but not very negative. So what you do is you buy in the money put option and you sell an out of the money put option. So similar to bull call spread, what this would do, in the money put option would increase your profit when the stock price would go down, and when you sell an out of the money put option, you know the price would not fall till that level, so the premium price would tend to zero and you would make some amount of profit here, and both of these profit would add up and make a good profit for you. So this would be it for this video, and with this we come to an end of option strategies. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Cheers.